Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for BSc Nursing Paramedical CVET NEET and other entrance exam from chapter Evolution. This is 14th part of our series. Let's start the question. Question number 1. The rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to factors except option A. Warm and moist environment. Option B. Presence of aerobic soil microbes. Option C. Detritus richer in lignin and chitin. Option D. Detritus rich in sugars. The correct answer is option C. Detritus richer in lignin and chitin. Question number 2. Which of the following ecological pyramids is generally inverted? Option A. Pyramid of number in grassland. Option B. Pyramid of energy. Option C. Pyramid of biomass in forest. Option D. Pyramid of biomass in sea. The correct answer is option D. Pyramid of biomass in sea. Question number 3. The region of biosphere reserve which is legally protected where no human activity is allowed is known as option A. Core zone. Option B. Buffer zone. Option C. Transition zone. Option D. Restoration zone. The correct answer is option A. Core zone where no humans are allowed. Question number 4. Which ecosystem has maximum biomass? Option A. Grassland ecosystem. Option B. Lake ecosystem. Option C. Forest ecosystem. Option D. Pond ecosystem. The correct answer is option C. Forest ecosystem has maximum biomass. Question number 5. Presence of plants arranged into well-defined vertical layer depending on their height can be seen best in option A. Tropical savanna. Option B. Tropical rainforest. Option C. Grassland. Option D. Temperate forest. The correct answer is option B. Tropical rainforest. Question number 6. The sequential event from initial stage till the climax stage in succession are called option A. Migration. Option B. Sessis. Option C. Sere. Option D. Nudation. The correct answer is option C. Sere. Question number 7. Which of the following ecologist has tried to put price tag on nature life support services? Option A. Robert May. Option B. David Tillman. Option C. Robert Constanza. Option D. Paul Ehrlich. The correct answer is option C. Robert Constanza. Question number 8. The primary producer of deep sea hydrothermal vents ecosystem are option A. Blue-green algae. Option B. Coral reefs. Option C. Green algae. Option D. Chemosynthetic bacteria. The correct answer is option D. Chemosynthetic bacteria. Question number 9. Which of the following would appear as the pioneer organism on a bare rocks? Option A. Lichens. Option B. Liverworts. Option C. Mosses. Option D. Green algae. The correct answer is option A. Lichens. Question number 10. The term ecosystem was coined by option A. E.P. Odium. Option B. A.G. Tansley. Option C. E. Haeckel. Option D. E. Warming. The correct answer is option B. A.G. Tansley coined the term ecosystem. Question number 11. Secondary succession takes place on in option A. Newly created pond. Option B. Newly cooled lava. Option C. Bare rock. Option D. Degraded forest. The correct answer is option D. Degraded forest. Question number 12. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different level in biotic community is known as option A. Zonation. Option B. Pyramid. Option C. Divergence. Option D. Stratification. The correct answer is option D. Stratification. Question number 13. The mass of living material at a tropic level at a particular time is called option A. Net primary productivity. Option B. Standing crop. Option C. Gross primary productivity. Option D. Standing state. The correct answer is option B. Standing crop. Question number 14. Most animals that live in deep oceanic waters are option A. Secondary consumers, option B. Tertiary consumers, option C. Detritivores, option D. Primary consumers. The correct answer is option C. Detritivores. Question number 15. An association of individuals of different species living in the same habitual and having functional interaction is option A. Biotic community, option B. Ecosystem, option C. Population, option D. Ecological niche. The correct answer is option A. Biotic community. Question number 16. The second stage of hydrosphere is occupied by plant like option A. Isola, option B. Typha, option C. Salix, option D. Vallisneria. The correct answer is option D. Vallisneria. Question number 17. Natural reservoir of phosphorus is option A. Fossils, option B. Seawater, option C. Animal bones, option D. Rocks. The correct answer is option D. Rocks. Question number 18. Which one of the following is not a functional unit of an ecosystem? Option A. Stratification, option B. Energy flow, option C. Decomposition, option D. Productivity. The correct answer is option A. Stratification is not a unit of ecosystem. Question number 19. Identify the possible line A in the following food chain. Plant, insect, frog, A. Eagle. Option A. Parrot, option B. Rabbit, option C. Wolf, option D. Cobra. The correct answer is option D. Cobra. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a gaseous biological cycle in the ecosystem? Option A. Carbon cycle, option B. Sulfur cycle, option C. Phosphorus cycle, option D. Nitrogen cycle. The correct answer is B and C. Phosphorus cycle and sulfur cycle. Question number 21. The upright pyramid of number is absent in option A. Grassland, option B. Forest, option C. Pond, option D. Lake. The correct answer is option B. Forest. Question number 22. The breakdown of detritus into a smaller particle by earthworm is a process called option A. Mineralization, option B. Catabolism, option C. Humidification, option D. Fragmentation. The correct answer is option D. Fragmentation. Question number 23. Both hydrise and Gerach succession lead to option A. Highly dry condition, option B. Excessively wet condition, option C. Medium water condition, option D. Xeric condition. The correct answer is option C. Medium water condition. Question number 24. Which of the following animal may occupy more than one trophic level in the same ecosystem at the same time? Option A. Goat, option B. Frog, option C. Sparrow, option D. Lion. The correct answer is option C. Sparrow. Question number 25. Mass of living matters at trophic level in an area at any time is called option A. Detritus, option B. Standing state, option C. Standing crop, option D. Humus. The correct answer is option C. Standing crop. Question number 26. The functional unit of nature is called option A. Ecosystem, option B. Community, option C. Population, option D. Succession. The correct answer is option A. Ecosystem is a functional unit of nature. Question number 26. Bacteria and fungi in a forest ecosystem are generally option A. Producers, option B. Primary consumers, option C. Decomposers, option D. Secondary consumers. The correct answer is option C. Decomposers. Question number 27. The most stable ecosystem is option A. Forest, B. Mountain, C. Desert, option D. Ocean. The correct answer is D. Ocean is the most stable ecosystem. Question number 28. Which of the following forest plants control light condition at the ground? Option A. lianas and climbers, option B. Shrubs, option C. Tall trees, option D. Herbs. The correct answer is option C. Tall trees. Question number 28. Productivity can be expressed in terms of energy. Option A. Z2, option B. KCL, option C. KCAL per meter square, option D. KCL meter square per meter square per YR. The correct answer is option D. KCL per meter square per YR. Question number 29. Which of the following is included in detritus? Option A. Dead plant remains such as leaves, barks and flower. Option B. Dead remains of animals. Option C. Fecal matter of animals. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 30. 10% law of energy transfer in food chain was given by option A. Haeckel, option B. Elton, option C. Schimper, option D. Lindemann. The correct answer is option D. Lindemann, given the 10% of law of energy. Question number 31. The first consumer link in food chain is option A. Carnivore, option B. Herbivore, option C. Decomposer, option D. Omnivore. The correct answer is option B. Herbivore. First consumer link to the food chain. Question number 32. How many trophic levels are present in a food chain? Option A 3 or 4, option B 3, option C 1, option D 2. The correct answer is option A 3 or 4 trophic levels present in food chain. Question number 33. Sedimentary cycle having a small gaseous component is found in option A phosphorus, option B carbon, option C nitrogen, option D sulfur. The correct answer is option D sulfur. Question number 34. The total cost of ecosystem services is about option A 23 billion, option B 33 trillion, option C 18 billion, option D 28 trillion. The correct answer is option B $33 trillion. Question number 35. Which of the following process help in nutrient conservation? Option A mineralization, option B nitrification, option C leaching, option D immobilization. The correct answer is option D immobilization.